Artificial intelligence is transforming the world at an incredible pace. Businesses across every industry are racing to adopt AI, knowing those who move first could dominate the future. This isn't just another tech trend, it's the beginning of a billion-dollar revolution that's reshaping the global economy. Artificial intelligence has become one of the world's biggest investment opportunities. Companies are investing billions into AI research, while experts believe this technology could reshape the global economy. What once seemed impossible is now driving the next generation of business and innovation. Artificial intelligence is no longer science fiction. Today, it powers the apps and services millions of people use every day, often without them even realizing it. AI has quietly become an essential part of modern life, changing how we work, communicate, and solve problems. The modern AI boom began with breakthroughs in deep learning. Smarter algorithms unlocked remarkable new capabilities, while powerful computer chips accelerated AI development like never before. Together, they laid the foundation for the day's AI revolution. Massive data sets trained increasingly intelligent AI models, while cloud computing made this powerful technology accessible to businesses around the world. Suddenly, companies no longer needed expensive supercomputers to harness the power of artificial intelligence. AI tools became affordable for startups, opening the door for a new wave of innovation. Then generative AI captured the world's attention almost overnight, giving people the ability to write, create stunning images, and even generate computer code with remarkable speed. Public adoption of AI exploded within months as millions embraced the technology. Tech giants quickly entered an intense race to build more powerful AI systems, pushing innovation forward at an unprecedented pace. New AI startups began emerging almost every day, attracting enormous interest from investors. Venture capital poured into promising companies, and billion-dollar valuations quickly became the new standard in the rapidly growing AI industry. Some AI startups reached billion-dollar valuations in record time. Businesses soon realized AI could dramatically reduce operating costs by automating routine tasks, allowing employees on more valuable and creative work. As employees focused on higher value work, productivity increased across countless industries. AI streamlined daily operations, and transform the way businesses serve their customers. With intelligent assistants delivering faster, more efficient support than ever before. Today, AI answers millions of customer questions every day, allowing businesses to operate around the clock. At the same time, AI-powered analytics have transformed marketing, helping companies better understand their audiences and make smarter decisions. AI-powered recommendations are helping businesses increase sales by delivering more personalized customer experiences. It has also transformed advertising and is revolutionizing healthcare by enabling faster, more accurate medical diagnosis. Doctors now rely on AI-powered decision support to improve patient care, while researchers use it to accelerate the discovery of life-saving medicines. At the same time, AI is making manufacturing faster, smarter, and more efficient than ever before. AI can now predict equipment failures before they happen, reducing costly downtime. It is making global supply chains faster, smarter, and more efficient. Financial institutions use AI to detect fraud in real time. This helps protect businesses and customers from financial threats. Banks use AI to automate risk assessment and make faster financial decisions. Investors rely on AI to analyze massive amounts of market data with greater accuracy. In education, AI tutors are creating personalized learning experiences for students. Learning is becoming smarter, faster, and more accessible than ever before. Experts believe AI will create entirely new industries and millions of future opportunities. The AI business boom is only just beginning.